Zombies. Don't want them. Monkeys. Don't need them. Bats. Get them out of here. All right. It's BillOnFryer, Resident Evil 0. Check it out.
Holy crap. Can you believe we just beat that boss? Oh my god. Let's go. I think we do need to fight through some monkeys though.
You love monkeys.
I hate monkeys! Oh, I hate monkeys! Ooh, I hate monkeys.
You killed a scorpion, a bat, a centipede, monkeys, spiders. Who are you? An animal hater?
I love animals. Except for monkeys and bats and fucking centipedes and scorpions, okay? Fuck them all. And hunters and zombies. All right. Let's start with a shotgun blast, then we're going to throw a Molotov and hope to dicks that those monkeys get scared by the fire. Monkeys are scared of fire, right? That's like a thing about monkeys. They don't understand it. It represents the gap. Oh, crap! It represents the gap in evolution between them and us. This game is so hard. It's kicking me in the ass. But I beat that bat. You better believe that. This game is so fucking hard. Oh. All right, go, 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 go! Oh. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Eat it! Eat it! Oh, fuck, there's one right there. Eat it. Okay, fire him. Hiya! Oh, yeah! Stay down. Monkeys suck! Oh, man, I'm awesome. I'm fucking awesome.
No.
Yeah. Yes, I am, Jay Water. I know that you were saying no to my previous statement because of the time delay, but that was a perfectly timed comment. And there's going to be, watch this, there's going to be like 10 first aid sprays up on this roof. If there's monkeys up there, I'm going to quit the game. All right, here we go. What could be up here? If it's... there was just a boss fight. Come on. Don't give me something hard. Oh, hold up. Lift the handle. Yeah, baby. Looks like we unlocked that door. Super good. Come on, look at all these herbs around here. Oh, great. A red herb. Come on. Just a red herb? That's it? That's all you're giving me? A red herb. Completely useless at this point. Okay. Easy now. Oh, it's an elevator. Okay. Collapsed and can't use. This wall looks like it's going to move. Fuck. A note. Ow, a zombie. That's okay. That's okay. We got a handgun. No worries. Fucking give me a green herb, dog. Oh, God, no. A leech man? You're throwing a leech man at me right now? You better give me some flame rounds. Press the button. Aha! What did I tell ya? No. God, no. 2 leech guys.
Leech man love. Bill's favorite.
I would rather fight monkeys. And I hate monkeys. Give me something to heal, for God's sakes. Or some flame rounds or something. Alright, there's some kerosene there. I don't have any bottles, though. And another save point. I do have bottles. Okay, there's a bottle. Give me something good. Give me something healy. Oh, good. A room full of zombos. Oh, looks like some kind of chemical. Put it in the mixing set? Okay. Red chemical in the mixing set. All right, cool. Oh, fuck. What? How are you under attack? Wow. You gotta be kidding me.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is BillOnFryer, and thank you. This has been my video, Resident Evil 0. Check me. I only threw 3 of them. I only threw 3. Fuck! Why are you throwing so many? Where are these coming from? Follow me on Twitch and YouTube, alright? Thank you.